Hola amigos, I'm Andy, and on this episode I'm going to be showing you how to make the best chocolate cupcakes, including my ultimate chocolate buttercream frosting. Perfect for Easter. I've got my oven preheated to 180 degrees and a cupcake pan that's been lined. Into a medium bowl, we're going to sift some Dutch cocoa powder, plain flour, baking powder, and salt. We're gonna set this aside for now. In a mixing bowl, we're going to cream the butter and sugar on high until light and fluffy. Scrape the bowl once to make sure everything is properly mixed. Our mix is light and fluffy. Now we're gonna add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each other. If you add all of the eggs at the same time, it can curdle your mix, and we don't want that. Then beat in the vanilla. Turn your mixer on low speed, and we're gonna add our flour mixture in 2 batches, alternating with a secret ingredient, some sour cream. Begin with half the flour. Add the sour cream. And end with the remaining flour. The sour cream will give you a super moist cupcake and will cut through some of the sweetness thanks to its acidity. Stop and scrape the bowl until it's all mixed through. Pour the batter into your cupcake pan and fill 3/4 of the way. I like to use an ice cream scoop, that way they're all the same size. Let's pop these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. These have been in the oven for 22 minutes and they're perfect. To check they're done, they should bounce back when pressed. Transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. While our cupcakes are cooling, let's work on our chocolate buttercream frosting. With a mixer, we're gonna beat our butter on medium speed until creamy. Add the icing sugar, Dutch cocoa powder, and salt. I like to use Dutch cocoa to give it a darker, richer color. Add the thickened cream and vanilla extract. Our chocolate buttercream icing is done. The consistency is perfect. You can always add a bit more icing sugar if your frosting is too thin, or add an extra tablespoon of thickened cream if your frosting is too thick. Now let's frost our cupcakes. Place the icing in a piping bag with your favorite nozzle. Top with your favorite Easter eggs. My favorite ones are these little pastel colored mini eggs. Let's give these a try. They're so moist, so soft, and super chocolatey. Thanks for watching. I hope you get to make this recipe. Easter is all about chocolate after all, and these are gonna be a crowd pleaser, I guarantee it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, leave your comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Adios, amigos.